Am I supposed to be okay?
It's pretty powerful, right?
The cracking was
Quite the experience. I'm Dr. Jeff Ader, and today we have a special video for you. I actually have a person here by the name of Val Sennen, and we're going to do an adjustment for him today, and this is actually his first time.
Yep, it's I don't know what to expect.
That's probably a good thing then too. Val, why don't you tell a little bit about yourself?
Sure, just to keep things short and sharp. So basically I'm a creative video producer, a freelance creative producer, and we share a passion, a similar passion actually. So on the side, when I'm not producing videos, I'm actually in the ring wrestling half-naked men. Wrestler. So he's gonna have fun because there's so many things he needs to fix today.
If you know or not, you do take a lot of back bumps and many other bumps as well, and you do get injured quite often here and there. So we're there to help him maintain throughout the whole process, not only throughout the everyday work schedule that he has, but also whenever he trains, so that he can perform optimally when he's in the ring then too. You never had any experience with chiropractic before, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, what do you know about it?
And all the TikTok videos that I've seen of, I mean, not of yours, but I've seen some of yours, but
in general, right?
In general,
yeah.
Like what they do, other than them screaming, laughing, especially after the next crack.
You kind of have an idea a little bit, but what we're going to do right now today is actually observe your overall your spine, your posture, your health, and whatnot, and then we're going to go over there and proceed to do the actual adjustment. Then, okay? Sure. Well, let's go ahead then and examine your spine and see what's going on there. Then, okay?
Sure. So
what I'm going to have you do, Val, I have you go over here and I place. Okay, then I want you to kind of stop and just look straight forward like that. Shut. Okay. So you don't actually. And then stop. Head there too. So you can see how again his shoulders are a little bit rolled forward because your hands should be more to the side. People tend to do this, and so if the shoulders are rolled forward, that's what happens, and that makes sense because if you take a lot of bumps, the impact. Yep, that's what happens with it. Okay, and let's see. Roll to the side, move over there. You can see right here with his overall posture. If you look straight ahead, like that. Oh, if you come over on this side. See how his back and shoulders here are rounded forward here, and a little bit uneven there too as well. You can see again right here and right here how it's actually rolled. Just checking the hips where they are. Now I don't expect you to hold that, but yeah, down the road what we want to do is correct the spine in overall posture there too to help make sure. Here. First I'm just going to check your feel. Any pain or discomfort? That's about it. That's fine. That's good. So I'm going to bring this back like so. Let's see. So bring it up. Good. Any streaming pain?
No, this one's tighter.
Yeah, that one's definitely tighter. But and this side here too. Bring it up. You can definitely tell it's tighter and weaker, right? And we're going to check the mid back.
You will.
This one right here.
Yeah, I guess.
A little pain right there.
Because that's the injured spot. That's why.
Okay. Let's have you turn over face up.
Other than the strain, I think it's okay.
Okay, yep. Any strain right here or pull?
It's tight though.
It's tight, yeah. Okay, have you look up to this?
Yeah.
A little bit deeper.
I can go further.
Yeah, you can feel that, right?
Yeah.
We'll try to feel that too. Okay, then on the other side.
Nope, not so much.
No, not so much. Yeah, so again.
I'm gonna like.
Gonna tap?
Tap.
Your second and third dorsal there. Okay. Wrong.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, with your spine. So essentially we found with your hip there, especially on the left side, is actually very tight and weak. Okay. What we're gonna do is actually adjust it. We're also gonna do some soft tissue in the area, as well as up here in your upper back. Okay. So we found some areas of concern here where it might be inflammatory. So this muscle right here, and around this particular joint is want to glide and move correctly as it should. Okay. So we're gonna adjust that part right here, your low back, and also your neck there then too. Okay.
Sure. Must be okay.
It's pretty powerful, right? There's an AccuStem. What it does, essentially helps to loosen up the particular areas here a little bit. Okay. See, not too bad, right?
Yeah, that's fine. It's fine.
Now I can go a little bit. Trying to get the right amount of force. Okay. It's okay? Okay. All right. Let's have you breathe in. And breathe out. Good. Yeah, breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, good. All right.
Okay, as long as you're getting closer.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can hear.
yeah, okay.
Oh, I'm supposed to hold it.
Yeah, hold like that. So I'm just bring it back like this.
Oh, this one. Yes. I know.
Yeah, so relax that.
Yeah.
Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so Ben, like what?
Big Dave.
Big Dave. He's probably scared of needles too.
Oh.
He's probably, I don't know if he is. Let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Okay, good. Okay, face up. Yeah, it's not meant for it, but
Okay.
as long as you're okay. You okay?
Kinda.
Kind of. Okay. Let's have you breathe in and breathe out. Not much going on there. Okay.
Boy.
Mm-hmm. Chin up just a little bit. Relax that.
Up.
Relax that. Good. Very good.
Peachy.
So what I'm going to do is going to come right around, like so.
Mhm.
Okay, and just going to give it a little bit of a traction. There you go. Good. Okay. And this side here then too.
Okay.
There we go. That's good. Got the. Hear that, right?
Yeah, getting closer.
Okay, done with our first adjustment. Let's have you stand up, just see how you feel here.
Sure.
Have you walk around a little bit.
Walking.
Okay, yeah, just kind of move around, see how be sore still.
Yep.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
So when you get home, I want you to put some ice on there.
Wait, what?
Put some ice.
Oh.
Ice. I have a wrestling buddy. I have a wrestling buddy do it for you, man. Okay, so how did you feel? Son?
Interesting. It was different.
Yeah,
For sure. The cracking was.
quite the experience.
I'll just leave it as that. Yeah.
Yeah, so is it kind of like what you saw then on the videos and everything?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
Sure, just-
what you kind of expected, right?
Half and half, I guess.
Yeah, okay. And so down the road, we can do some reassessment, see how your body's doing, and work on
Right.
those areas then of concern then, okay? So thanks, guys, for tuning in. If you have any questions, just let us know.